This video is about how to make money printing 3D car parts, RC car parts. I guess you could make money printing regular car parts too. So this is the RC body that I made for Popolo, the robot. I 3D printed Popolo. I have a behind the series that I go over everything about him. Right now I'm working on his arms and his hands. Obviously his arms fell off. I'll have to figure out, oh, here it is. Okay, I have so much weight on this car. This car is so heavy, but it's actually made of foam. But the car flips over, so it has to be strong. So I had to redesign it till I got it right. With that extra weight, I've been breaking parts left and right on this. One of the first things I did was just download STLs, which is the model type for that particular part. And then I started seeing that people were selling tons of files on Etsy and eBay. And I'm thinking, this is something that people should know about. So one of the parts that I had to create, that I'll link it below, is I had to create a shock expander. And the shock expander goes right there to make the shocks more rigid so that I can handle some big weight like this. I have found control arms. You could do body parts. You could do full parts. You can get really big printers. What an opportunity to potentially make money selling RC parts if you love RC cars. Even something to hold your controller, something to hold batteries. For instance, the battery that's in here, you could do something that has to do with a better battery holder. There is a lot of opportunities for the steering involved with it. There's a lot of opportunities for bumpers, but you could order these parts, but you could also put it in your hands and making things locally. So this is a camera mount that's back here, and I have a camera mount up front that I designed, and I also designed this shock expander. So I listed all the files down below that I think would be really good money sellers for RC parts. Go ahead and check that out. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Peace out. There's a huge hurricane that's coming off the coast of North Carolina right now. I'm kind of getting worried. What do you think, Popolo?